Hey everyone, welcome back to VerbalPodcast, the Vocab Show. I'm Alex.
And I'm Janie. We're here to make one great word stick in your brain forever.
Today's word is abject. That's A-B-J-E-C-T. It's an adjective, and it means wretched or pitiful, often describing something in the worst possible state.
Right. Abject paints a picture of complete misery or hopelessness. Think rock bottom, emotionally, physically, or even socially.
Exactly. Like the example, after losing all her money, falling into a puddle, and breaking her ankle, Eloise was abject. That's a really bad day.
Worse than bad, it's miserable. You can also use abject for things like abject poverty or abject failure, meaning total and absolute.
Here's another sentence. His apology was so abject, you could tell he was truly ashamed.
Or they lived in abject conditions with barely enough food or shelter. It really emphasizes the depth of the hardship.
Important note, abject almost always describes something negative. You wouldn't say abject happiness.
Yep, it's reserved for the lows, not the highs.
Let's make a quick scene so listeners can hear it in action.
Go for it.
Did you see the score? We lost 0-15.
That's not just a loss, that's an abject defeat.
Yeah, we might need a new coach.
Ouch.
All right, mini quiz time. Fill in the blanks. After being caught lying, he offered an blank apology.
Answer, abject. It was wretched and humble.
They were forced to live in blank poverty.
Abject again, complete and hopeless poverty.
She felt blank after forgetting her best friend's birthday.
Abject, full of guilt and misery.
Quick recap. Abject means wretched, pitiful, or in the worst possible condition. And it's used for negative situations.
So try to avoid being abject, but definitely remember the word.
That is all for today. Until next time.
Stay sharp, stay curious, and as always, stay verbal.